you put your answers in the chat box. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Banu Prakash, what is the answer?
Sir, 9.08%, sir.
Okay. As per my calculation, it is negative 9.2%. Check once again. ID dash is 0.454. Okay, all of you take three values after the decimal point, three digits after the decimal point, minus 0.5 by 0.5. Yeah, it is minus 9.2%, which means that your current has decreased. Negative shows that, what is the significance of negative sign? The current has decreased by 9.2%. When you compare with the previous value, ID value, when you compare with your ID value, that is initial value, your final value has decreased by some amount. That amount is 9.2%. So the conclusion is the drain current has decreased by 9.2% after replacing with a new device. Is that clear for you? Okay. So after replacing with the new device, your drain current has reduced by 9.2%. That is the change that we have observed in ID. Any doubt, students? 0.454 minus 0.5 means that your final value of current has decreased. Initial value 0.5, right? So that decrement is 9.2%. That is why you are getting a minus sign here. Okay, take down the next question. Design the following circuit. Design the following circuit to operate at a DC drain current of at a DC drain current of 0.5 milliampere, 0.5 milliampere. Assume VDD equal to positive 5 volt. Assume VDD equal to positive 5 volt. Kn dash W by L is 1 milliampere per volt square. Vt equal to 1 volt. Use standard value of Rd. Use standard value of Rd. Means you have to standardize the resistance. Whatever you are getting the design value, it will not be the actual value that you are taking while implementing the circuit diagram. You have to convert into a standard value. Okay. Use standard value of resistance. Find VD and ID. Find VD and ID for the standard value of RD. Means whatever standard value you have chosen, for that I have to find VD and ID. Find VD and ID for the standard value of RD. So first we have to design RD for the given specifications. Okay, because already the drain current is 0.5 milliamps, it is given. Then you might be wondering why they have asked again to find ID. Because this based upon this 0.5 milliampere drain current, I will design one RD. Okay, and I will convert this RD into a standard value. You know that the standard value will be different from the actual value that you are designed, right? Suppose you are getting 6 kilo ohm, means you will be approximating this 6 kilo ohm into 6.2 kilo ohm, which is another standard value. So based upon this change, ID will get changed and accordingly VD will also get changed. That is what is the objective of the question. You are asked to find a resistance RD and you have to standardize that resistance, and based upon those standard value, we have to calculate the new value of VD and ID. I hope the question is clear for you. Now you can take down the circuit diagram. If any doubts, you can ask me. If you see the circuit diagram, okay, if you see the circuit diagram, it is understood that a resistance RG is connected between gate and drain. So this is same as that your drain to gate feedback network. Gate to drain feedback network. You have already familiarized with the biasing circuits, right? Out of which one biasing technique was using the gate to drain feedback resistance. And you know that this feedback resistance will be very high in mega ohms, and eventually this current will be approximately zero, because of which I can conclude that the potential at the drain terminal will be same as that of the potential at gate. If potential difference is zero or potentials at the 2 points are same, means the current flow between the two terminals will be zero. So I should get a conclusion that VD is equal to VG. How did you got VD equal to VG? Because as per our theory, in the drain to gate feedback resistance type of biasing, we are using an infinite resistance at this gate terminal, because of which the gate current will be zero. So the potential difference will be zero. So VD will be equal to VG. Again, VG is equal to VGS. Again, VG equal to VGS. How? Because source is directly grounded. Source is directly grounded. So you can take VG as VGS itself. So VG is equal to VGS is equal to VD. Okay. VG is equal to VGS is equal to VD. Now we will go for this design. Design means you are going to design RD value. To find RD, you know that you have to find VGS, because the RD's equation, how will you write RD's equation? RD is equal to VDD minus VD divided by ID. RD is equal to VDD minus VD divided by ID. ID is already given to you, right? So the only unknown value is VD. And I told you VD is same as that of VG, which is equal to VGS. So if you find VGS, then that value can be taken as VD, and you can substitute here and design RD. Now you can solve. Write the equation for the drain current, substitute all the given parameters and find the value of VGS and let me know the answer. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, VGS is 2 volt. Fine. After finding VGS, what is VD? VD is same as that of VG or VGS. So VD can be considered as 2 itself. Okay, so this is equal to VD. Now you can find RD. All of you find RD. RD is equal to VDD minus VD by ID. RD is equal to VDD minus VD divided by ID. ID is given to you. Now substitute and tell me the answer. 6K. Very good. It is 6K. Do we have a standard value of 6K? Is 6K standard? No. So we have to convert into next standard resistance or the nearby standard value, that is 6.2 kilo ohm. Now, if I take 6.2 kilo ohm instead of 6 kilo ohm, what will be the new value of VD and ID? That was our question. Even though as per the design you got 6 kilo ohm, but you are not actually using that 6 kilo ohm while implementing the circuit diagram. Instead of 6 kilo ohm, you have used 6.2. So there is obviously some difference, right? So this corresponding to the 6.2 kilo ohm, what will be the new value of ID and VD that you are going to find out now? So again, you will write the equation. In place of VGS, you can substitute VD because VGS is same as that of VD. As per our knowledge, VGS is same as that of VD in a gate to drain feedback circuitry, as I have explained before. So this main equation you can manipulate like this. So ID is equal to half into 1 into VD minus 1 the whole square. So please don't convert this milliamps into ampere because your equation will get complicated. So retain as such so that you can expect your answer in milliampere. Again, if you see this equation 1, there are two unknowns ID and VD. There are two unknowns ID and VD. You can't solve this equation 1 directly. So you have to go for another equation to substitute this VD in terms of ID. So how you will write VD? If you take the circuit diagram, you know that VD is the supply voltage VDD minus the drop across RD. VD is the supply voltage VDD minus the drop across RD. The drop across RD is IDRD. So VD can be written as 5 minus VDD is 5 minus ID. Sorry, RD as of now we have taken as 6.2 into ID. So 5 minus 6.2 ID. Again, don't convert this 6.2 kilo ohm into ohm. Since you are expecting your answer in milliampere itself, please make sure that you will retain your resistance RD in kilo ohm itself. Now put 2 in 1, make a quadratic equation, solve that quadratic equation and let me know the answer ID within 2 minutes in the chat box. Substitute 2 in 1. Very good. Others? All of you check whether you are getting this equation. The final quadratic equation 38.4 for ID square minus 51.6 ID plus 16 equal to 0. Make use of your calculator, equation mode, enter ABC values. B is negative 51.6. Enter the values and solve for ID. Since it is a quadratic equation of degree 2, you will get two answers for ID. Corresponding to these two ID value, you have to solve for VGS or VD. Substitute in 2 and get me the value of VD. Yes, very good, all of you. The answers are 0.486 milliampere and 0.856 milliampere. Corresponding to these two values, all of you calculate VD. That VD will be same as that of VG. Since it is a gate to drain feedback resistor or feedback biasing, the drain voltage is equivalent to gate voltage. So whatever you are solving for VD, that will be same as that of VG. And from this, we will compare the two VG values and we will finalize the most suitable one. So put your values in equation 2 and get me VD values or VG values because VD is same as that of VG. So you got 1.98 and negative 0.3072. Here it is negative, right? The gate voltage is negative. Being an NMOS transistor, the negative voltage will lead to high resistance only. Channel will not get induced. As a result, conduction will not take place. So the most suitable value for this NMOS transistor is positive 1.98 volt. So that we will take it as our final VD, and corresponding ID, that is 0.486 milliampere, will take it as the final current for the designed value. I mean, for the standard value. What is the standard value? 6.2 kilo ohm resistance is the standard value that you have taken. Based upon that, you got the current 0.486 and the drain voltage 1.98 volt. In the question, they have given 0.5 milliampere. That is for 6K. But you have not used 6K. You have replaced that 6K with the 6.2K, and you found that the resist current has decreased by a little amount, and it was come down towards 0.486 from 0.5. Correspondingly, the drain voltage is 1.98 volt. Okay, why I am discarding this section? Because your gate voltage is highly negative. That is not at all acceptable for a NMOS transistor. Is that fine, students? Any doubts? Okay, I'll stop here, and tomorrow we will continue. 250 to 350. Okay, tomorrow's class is 250 to 350. If there is any doubts, means you can ask. So this previous two problems are very important. You can practice. I'll share this PDF later. Once two more problems are there pending in this module. After that, I'll share this uh, problems, numerical problems PDF in the classroom. You can go through that. If any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Thank you all.